Okay, let's get started. I will be planning out my July 2025, and I will be using these stickers that I've never used before. These are Kaycee Leigh stickers. Look at how precious these are. When I saw this, I have never used Kaycee Leigh stickers. So when I did see them, I was like, oh, the colors are so precious. Look at this. So this is the M-043 kit, and it comes with the monthly headers, the dates, and then some washi down here. Then we also get appointment boxes. We have some more washi, and we have some flags, some dots, and some arrows. Look at it. It's just adorable. Absolutely adorable. And then we also get the notes column, bigger boxes, and then some more of the full boxes and the quarter boxes. And then we have some wording here and some icons. And as a gift, the freebies that I received from her are the payday stickers. And these, look at how precious are these, not the cutest things in the world. So anyway, so we're going to go ahead and get started. We are doing the monthly, and hopefully I can remember the bills that I do, and we can go ahead and plan that out as well. So for the monthly, let's go ahead and do June through Wednesday. Let me just make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh, I said June through Wednesday. I meant Sunday through Wednesday. Let's go ahead and line this up properly. That looks adorable. I generally do not spoil myself with these kinds of kits because I have always been a happy planner, and I've invested in the happy planner stickers. However, I feel with the Erin Condren, the kits are so beautiful in these books. So we're going to go ahead and add Thursday through Saturday. I'm trying to do this carefully so you don't see my head. Let me see. That is going to... The stickers do peel off beautifully. That's a very good thing. Again, I bought these on Etsy, and the shop is called Kaycee Leigh, and it's Kaycee space Leigh. Okay, so we're starting off. This is absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. So I forgot to get my tweezers, so let me run and get those so I can put the dates down, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I do have my tweezers in hand, and if you're wondering about this background, my sons are Pokemon collectors, so this is one of the mats that they have, and honestly, I couldn't find my pink one. I think it's on my other desk. But anyway, so I'm just using this. I think it's fun and whimsical. So let's go ahead and add these. Let me see. Okay. I'll do a couple of these and then we'll speed it up so that, or I'll just go ahead and fill them in, and then you guys don't have to sit here and watch me do that. Let's do 2. Okay, let's do 3. How are you doing? I just feel like I've been so out of it. There's just been so much going on with work. I hope that's straight. I think it's a little crooked. A lot going on with work, and just trying to get my house in order. Oh, these are crooked. I'm going to go ahead and fix them, and I'll be back to show you the whole month. Okay, so, excuse me. So we have all of the date stickers on there. I did fix the number 2. It was driving me crazy because it was crooked. And I wanted to show you these. These are the tweezers that I'm using. And I am sorry, but I don't know where they're from. I want to say the majority of my planning supplies I purchase at Michael's or um, Joann's, although Joann's I think now is closing. I believe Michael's has bought out all of Joann's stock. So I don't know if they're going to have like a Michael's too or what it is. But anyway, the supplies that I get are from either those 2 stores, or sometimes once in a blue moon, I'll get stuff from Walmart. But these are so nice because the tip is so thin and so sharp. So anyway, they're very good. And they do have a little cover that goes over them. Okay, so what we are going to do now is we will put down, let me see which one would be cuter, the strawberries or, I mean, these are, wait, let me see if these are actually, yeah, it is. They are so cute. But I think I'm going to go ahead and use these for my bottom washi. And they fit perfectly. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Okay, so what's left on this page is dots. And I'm sure I will be using those somewhere along the line. I think that's a little crooked. My fault. Okay. So this is what it looks like so far. This is just too cute. All right, so I know I do have some bills that I need to pay. And I have these payday stickers. I have, oh, you know what? I have these stickers. I have these stickers. And I have the freebie payday stickers. So let's go ahead and put the notes down. Let me see. I don't think I want it to cover that because I do have a notes sticker. So I'll take it down to here. Let's go over. You can tell I'm new to all of this stuff, to these kits. Okay, there we go. That's good. And then we do have this notes sticker to put up here. We will put that right there. This is such a cute kit. Honestly, it is so cute. And then actually, okay, so we have notes. Is that crooked? That might be just a tiny bit crooked. Okay, so that's there. It does say to do this month, next month, birthdays and anniversaries. And I think what I will do is in July, we do have 2 birthdays. But I will put them on the calendar. So I'll save these for my weekly as well as the other boxes. I'll save these for the weekly. And then I do have some bills. Let me see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bills. And let me see how many of these we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, that is perfect. Okay, so I have a bill on the first. Excuse me. I have a bill on the first that I need to pay. And then we have another one on the first. So we'll put those down. Okay, and then I have one on the 6th. No, well, that's not going to work. So it's probably going to be on the 7th. And then the other one on the 9th. So we'll do 7th. And then the 9th. Okay, the 9th. And then the 12th. Oh, that's a Saturday, so it'll probably be on the 11th. Okay, that. 11th. And then I have the 15th. 2 on the 15th. Two on the 15th. I think this one is a little crooked. We'll fix that one. If you hear any humming noises, I record downstairs in my basement, which we have. This is a bedroom, and then I have the laundry room right across from me, and that's the dehumidifier. It is hot here in Maryland, very hot. So that dehumidifier is working nonstop. Let me fix this one. Do you have any summer plans? If you do, where are you going? I went to, as I said, New Jersey and part of New York. And then I am going up to Pennsylvania, Eastern Pennsylvania, this coming week. And then I think I may be going to the beach. I'm not real sure about that. Okay, so then I do have, excuse me, a bill on the 22nd. And I think I missed something. First and the 1st. Then we have the 6th, which would be the 7th. We have the 9th. I have the 12th, which we've moved to the 11th. I have 2 15s, 22nd, and the 6th again, so it should be here on the 7th. Okay. So let's go ahead and write those out. This is for my iPhone storage. Okay, and this is a loan. I call it loan 1. Okay, and then on the 6th, do we have any over here? No. On the 6th, I have my insurance. Okay, and Spotify. Okay, so let me just check off what we've done. On the 9th is my oh no. The 9th is oh, this should have been loan number 2. Uh-oh. Oh well, we're going to do 2 pinks on the same day. Insurance will go here. This is loan 2. Okay. On the 15th is electric. And my Visa card. And then on the 22nd is my cell phone. And the 11th is the internet. Okay. So that's those. I do have 2 birthdays. My ex-sister-in-law, who I love dearly, and my brother-in-law. So we'll go ahead and mark their birthdays. Okay, so this will be and this is Larry. I always tell him he's my favorite brother-in-law. That's because he's my only brother-in-law, but he is my favorite brother-in-law. And then we have these little balloons, so we can add those as a little indication for their birthdays. Okay, and let's see. I think that is it. Although I kind of want to put on here next month. So then that way I can put a few things, little reminders. Oh, that's crooked. Let's try to straighten that out. Okay. Well, I think that's it. Oh, I didn't do the paydays. I get paid on the 15th and the 31st of the month. So let's go ahead and place the green one here. And I guess I'll take the other green one. It's more of a bluish. Yeah, I think it'll match. It'll be okay. And that one will be right here. Okay. And that is it. I want to thank you very much for joining me for this plan with me. I've come back after, I don't even know how many months, years it's been since I did a plan with me, but I wanted to thank you very much. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Eman, and I thank you for joining me. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really does help out the channel. And as I said, I will be doing planning. I do love thrifting, so I do some thrifting, and we may do some day in the lives. So thank you so much, and I will see you soon.